Hello everyone, welcome to Zine Rocks, a channel of education, entertainment and lots of tricks and ideas. Let's continue with quadratic equations. As I told you earlier that to find the solution of a quadratic equation, there are three methods. The first method is called as a completing square method, second method is called as a formula method, and the third method is called as a factorization method. Today's lecture is on formula method. So formula method is given in exercise number 2.4. 2.4 exercise is divided into two parts. The first part says calculating the values of A, B and C. Now you have to convert the question. You have to convert the question in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then find out the value of A, then find out the value of B and then C. For example, the first question says 1x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. All the terms are taken on the left hand side. There is a 0 on the right hand side. That means this question is properly arranged. If it is properly arranged, then I can write comparing this question, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I will get the value of a as 1, b as minus 7 and c as 5. Second question is 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. You have to convert this question into a general or a normal format. Take all the terms on the left hand side. You will get 2m square minus 5m plus 5 is equal to 0. You will get comparing this question with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When you compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, you will get the value of a as 2, b as minus 5 and c as 5. Question number 3. Y square is equal to 7y. So y square minus 7y is equal to 0. This 7y comes on the left hand side. It becomes minus 7y is equal to 0. Here there are only two terms. So I will write y square minus 7y plus 0 is equal to 0. So I will write comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to 0. The second part of exercise number 2.4 talks about using of the formula. Question number 1 is x square plus 6x plus 5 is equal to 0. The first step to solve a formula method question is comparing this question with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So I will write, first of all remember that it must be arranged in the proper order. Comparing the equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I will get the value of a as 1, b as 6 and c as 5. After getting the values of a, b, c, you must find out the value of b square minus 4ac. You must find the value of b square minus 4ac. This is the formula, the first part of the formula. b square minus 4ac. Now b square minus 4ac means what? How to calculate b square minus 4ac? It is very simple. b square, so it will be 6 square minus 4. A means 1, C means 5. So answer will be 6 is 36 minus 4 is 20. Your answer will be 16. So you will get b square minus 4ac is equal to 16. Hope this is clear. So the first part is over. First part is what? To find out the value of b square minus 4ac. So b square minus 4ac I got as 16. Now I will use the formula. Now what is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a upon 2a. This is the formula. So here minus b minus, substitute the value of b is 6. Minus is in the formula. B value is here 6 plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac, already we have got it, 16 whole upon 2a, means 2 into value of a is 1, so 2 into 1. Next step, minus 6 plus minus root of 16 is 4 upon 2 ones is 2. So here if this 4 is plus and minus, so I will get two values of 4. It will be plus 4 or it will be minus 4. So I will get minus 6 plus 4 upon 2 or minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. Minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 upon 2 or minus 6 minus 4 is minus 10 upon 2. Here you will get minus 1 or here you will get 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. You will get minus 5. So the values of x will be minus 1 and x will be 5. So solution will be minus 1 and minus 5. This is question number 2. Comparing this question with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we will get the values of a, b and c. Then we will find out the value of b square minus 4ac. This is the first part. First part is very simple. So all of you look here. I will write comparing this question with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I will get a is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 3 and C is equal to minus 2. I got A, B and C. I will write the value of B square minus 4AC. B square means minus 3 square minus 4. A means 1. C means minus 2. I will get B square minus 4AC. I have substituted the value of B, A and C in this formula. B square is minus 3 square, minus is minus, 4 is 4, A is 1, C is minus 2. So I will get minus 3 square is 9, minus into minus will become plus, 4 2s is 8, so your answer is 17. B square minus 4AC is 17. Hope you understand. So first part is over. Now coming to the second part. Second part is the formula. Formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula. I will substitute the value. In the formula. Minus b means what? Minus of minus 3. Minus is in the formula and b is minus 3. So it will be minus 3. Keep in the bracket. Minus is in the formula. The value of b is minus 3. So minus of minus 3 plus minus root of b square minus 4ac, already you have got 17 upon 2a. So 2 into a, value of a is 1. 2 into 1. So I will get minus of minus 3 is plus 3 plus minus root of 17. 17 cannot be factorized. That is why 17 will remain as it is. I will write root 17 upon 2 ones is 2. Next, plus and minus. So there will be two answers. Either the value of x will be 3 plus root 17 upon 2, or it will be x is equal to 3 minus root 17 upon 2. So solution will be 3 plus root 17 upon 2. 3 minus root 17 upon 2. This is sum number 3. The first part of the sum is very simple. Find out a, b, c. Find the values of b square minus 4ac. So let us start. First, take all the terms on the left hand side. Here all the terms are on the left hand side. We will compare, we will write comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. I will get the value of a as 3, b as 2 and c as minus 7. I will write b square minus 4ac. That means b is 2 square minus 4 into a is 3. C is minus 7. So I will get 2 square is 4. Minus into minus is plus. 4 3 is 12. 12 7 is 84. 84 plus 4 is 88. I will get b square minus 4ac as 88. Is this clear? So the first step is clear, to get the value of b square minus 4ac. Now coming to the second step. Second step is the formula. Formula is m is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a is equal to value of b is 2, so minus 2 plus minus root of b square minus 4ac have already got as 88 upon 2a, so 2 into a value is 3, so 2 into 3. Next, minus 2 plus minus, minus 2 plus minus 88. Can this 88 be factorized? Answer is yes. You can factorize 88. Now how to factorize 88? 88, factors of 88. 2 44s are, 2 22s are, 2 11s are, 11 1s are. These are the factors of 88. 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. These are the factors of 88. That means when we take the square root of 88, these two numbers will be written once and remaining numbers will be under the square root. 2 11s is 22. So 88 can be written as 2 root 22 upon 2 3s is 6. Don't cancel it directly. Majority students will make mistake here. They will cancel this 2 1s are 2 3s are directly. But it cannot be cancelled directly. You have to take something common out of these two numbers, then cancel it. You have to take common, then cancel. You have to take common, then cancel. You have to take common, then cancel. So here, out of these two numbers, 2 is common. So I take 2 common outside the bracket. Inside the bracket it will be 2 1s is 2. Sorry, minus 1 plus minus 2 is outside. So it will be only root 22 upon 6. Now this will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So answer will be minus 1 plus minus root 22 upon 3. So there will be two answers. M is equal to minus 1 plus root 22 upon 3 or M is equal to minus 1 minus root 22 upon 3. This is the highlighted step or the most difficult step of the last sum. Now this step I will be explaining in Hindi. See, minus 2 plus minus root of 88 upon 6. मतलब ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट्स क्या करेंगे कि ये 2 1s are 2 3s are कैंसिल करने को देखेंगे और कैंसिल होता है तो हमें अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ कुछ कट हो गया, लेकिन ये कट नहीं करना है। सबसे पहला याद रखना है कि ये जो रूट के नीचे का जो नंबर है 88 जो नंबर है, क्या वो नंबर फैक्टराइज हो सकता है क्या? अगर वो नंबर फैक्टराइज हो सकता है तो उसको फैक्टराइज पहले करना पड़ेगा। मतलब 88 को ऐसे लिखेंगे हम लोग 2 44s are, 2 22s are, 2 11s are, 11 1s are। मतलब क्या ये 88 के फैक्टर्स आ रहे हैं क्या? उसके फैक्टर्स आ रहे हैं। मतलब वो 88 को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 2 into 2 into 2 into 11। लेकिन क्योंकि ये स्क्वायर रूट है तो दो नंबर्स को एक बार लिखना होता है। तो मैं 88 की जगह पे लिखूंगा 2√22, 2 11 जा 22, तो मैं लिखूंगा 2√22 अपॉन 6। ये सबसे डिफिकल्ट है, और अगर ऐसा नंबर है जिसके फैक्टर्स आ रहे हैं तो वो सम सबसे डिफिकल्ट सम हो जाता है, चाहे वो कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड हो चाहे वो फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड हो। तो 88 को मैं लिख सकता हूं 2√22। अब भी प्रॉब्लम आएगा, स्टूडेंट्स को ऐसा लगेगा अब क्या करें सर, कैंसिल होगा क्या? तो ये भी कैंसिल नहीं होगा जब तक कि तुम लोग ये दो नंबर्स से कुछ कॉमन नहीं ले लेते, तब तक कैंसिल हो ही नहीं सकता है। मतलब ये दो नंबर्स में क्या कॉमन दिख रहा है? ये दो नंबर्स में 2 कॉमन दिख रहा है, तो मैं लिखूंगा 2 कॉमन, ब्रैकेट ओपन करूंगा। अगर 2 यहां से कॉमन हो जाएगा तो यहां पे कुछ नहीं बचेगा, कुछ नहीं बचेगा तो सबका मालिक 1 -1 प्लस माइनस यहां पे 2√22 था, इसमें से 2 कॉमन आ गया तो बचेगा क्या? √22 अपॉन 6। अब ये कैंसिल होगा, 2 1 जा 2 3 जा, मतलब अब आंसर आएगा -1 प्लस माइनस √22 अपॉन 3। इज इट क्लियर? Sum number 4. The first part is finding the values of a, b, c. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. Let us start. A is equal to 5, b is equal to -4, c is equal to -2. You got the values of a, b and c. Then b square minus 4ac. Now what is b? b is -4 square. -4 into what is a? A is 5. What is c? C is -2. -4 square is 16. Minus into minus will become plus. 4 5 is 20. 20 into 2 is 40. Answer will be 56. So you got the value of b square minus 4ac as 56. The next part of the sum is using the formula. The formula goes this way: m is equal to -b plus minus √b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b. What is the value of b? Is -4. So you have to keep the bracket. Minus b plus minus √b square minus 4ac already you have got as 56 upon 2a means 2 into 5. So minus into minus will be plus 4 plus minus. I told you this is the most difficult step. When this number is factorized, 56 can be factorized. Yes, 56 can be factorized. I will find the factors of 56. 2 28s are 2 14s are 2 7s are 7 1s are. So this 56 can be factorized as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. But because this is a square root, you have to write two numbers once. So this 2 is repeated twice. So I will write it once. Under square root sign, 2 7s is 14. Upon 2 5s is 10. Now here, this is the highlighted step. After the question, I will teach you this step in Hindi. 4 plus minus 2√14 upon 10. Now here there are two terms. Now out of these two terms there is something in common. What is common? 2 is common. 2 is common. So I will take 2 outside the bracket. So inside the bracket it will be 2 2s is 4 plus minus 2 is common. So here it will be 14 upon 10. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are. Answer will be 2 plus minus √14 upon 5. So there will be two answers. 2 plus √14 upon 5 and 2 minus √14 upon 5. Question number 5. Now here the question is not arranged properly. One more thing is to be noted, that here there is a 3 in the denominator. So what I will do is I will make this sum very simple. I will multiply each term by 3. So that the 3 gets cancelled. Multiplying each term by 3. So when I multiply each term by 3, I will get 3 into y square, 3y square plus 3 into 1 upon 3 means 3 will get cancelled. and 3 2 is 6. 3 will get cancelled. Take all the terms on the left hand side. Take all the terms on the left hand side. You will get 3y square plus 1y minus 6 is equal to 0. You will get the value of a as 3, b as 1, c as minus 6. Then b square minus 4ac. b square means 1 square. Minus 4 into a means 3, c means minus 6. 1 square is 1. Minus into minus is plus. 4 3 is 12. 12 6 is 72. 72 plus 1 is 73. So b square minus 4ac is 73. Now you got the value of b square minus 4ac. Now the second part. The second part is very simple. Formula. Y is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b. What is the value of b? 1 plus minus root of b square minus 4ac is 73 upon 2a. 2a means 2 into 3 minus 1 plus minus. Can 73 be factorized? Answer is no. You cannot factorize 73. So the best part of the sum is that the number cannot be factorized. It will remain as it is. 2 3 is 6. So you will get two answers. Y is equal to minus 1 plus root 73 upon 6, or y is equal to minus 1 minus root 73 upon 6. That's root 14 upon 5. This is sum number 6. Once again, finding the values of a, b, c. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. A is equal to 5, b is equal to 13, c is equal to 8. Then b square minus 4ac, 13 square minus 4 into a into c. 13 square means 13 into 13. 13 into 13 is 169 minus 4 5 is 20, 28 is 160. 169 minus 160 is 9. So b square minus 4ac is 9. The next part of the question is to solve the formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b. B is 13 plus minus root of b square minus 4ac means 9 upon 2a. A means 5. So 2 into 5. Minus 13 plus minus. Can you get the square root of 9? Yes. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 upon 2 5 is 10. So there will be two answers. X is equal to minus 13 plus 3 upon 10, or x is equal to minus 13 minus 3 upon 10. X equal to minus 13 plus 3 is minus 10 upon 10. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1, or x is equal to minus 16 upon 10. X is equal to minus 1.6, or you can keep it minus 16 upon 10. Minus sign will be in the middle.